After logging in, you'll first start off on the My Account page, and we just need to click on Imports. Now we're going to go into the search function, and you're just going to search for your last name. The alternative option is to just paste in your unique URL. Next step is to click Edit My Profile right here in the middle. Okay, now you're on the edit side of your profile. You're not going to see all these boxes at the top. That's for administrators. And I'll ask you not to use this Legacy Content tab because that was used for transferring profiles from the old website and will be removed in the near future. Under the Media tab, everything's pretty self-explanatory. I suggest pasting in a YouTube playlist here if you have multiple videos. Now if we scroll down to the bottom here, you click Save and Close Editor. Below that is just the front view of what your profile looks like, but we're just operating within this gray box area, and that blue line's the cutoff area. Minimum cover photo dimension should be 1200 by 300. If you can't find a cover photo like that, I recommend going to this handy little free tool online called canva.com. You could log in with your Facebook and create a custom dimension of 1200 by 300 design. And now here are all the different templates. So now I'm going to upload 3 images of this particular individual and simply drag and drop. It's good if the photos are centralized already, or you can crop them so that they are. And now PNG or JPEG. I usually go JPEG. And boom, there we have our cover photo. The only issue with these Canva photos is that the file sizes are quite large, so please use tinypng.com to drag and drop the file into this compressor, and then it only takes a few seconds, and then boom, it downloads, and then you have your reduced cover photo. So now we head back to the profile. We're going to click Add Image under the cover photo and add our reduced cover photo image. The Key Data tab, the only real thing you need to know is in here to select multiple positions. You just hit the Command key or the Alt key on a PC. Under the Personal Info tab, we're just going to spend most of our time talking about how to use this formatting system in the menu bar here. To create a hyperlink, you highlight the word you want to hyperlink and then click on this little keychain or this link button, and then we're just going to paste in the URL that we want. Make sure to check the box that says Open in New Tab so that they can return to your profile easily. To see the full menu, you hit this toggle button right here, and then the rest will drop down. If you want to separate your information into different sections, I recommend using this horizontal line button. To quote some nice words somebody said about your abilities, you can highlight the sentence and click this quote button. I recommend putting some quotation marks around it and putting it in italic. To make things look cleaner when you have subsections of information, this indent button can be a great tool. If you have stats that are only in PDF form, or let's say a testimonial only in PDF form, you can just highlight the word and then click Add Media. Make sure to type in the words you want displayed in this title box and then insert into post. Under the Experience tab, we have Playing Experience and Coaching Experience. And to add rows, we simply click Add Row, boom. And to get rid of a row, we click this Remove button, and simple as that. We could also drag them around if you want to move them into a different slot. Stats, same thing, Add Row, Delete Row. And here's where we put the URL, so that it will hyperlink to the actual stats, and then we just fill in the appropriate tabs with the appropriate numbers. Let's say you were a pro player for 4 years. Instead of adding 4 rows, you can just put a range from 2014 to 2018, for example, and then fill in the accumulated stats.